One of the misconceptions or ideas that the flat earthers have is why is the moon and the sun up during the day at the same time? This is because they're not aligned up exactly. But we're going to let CC explain his issues with the daytime moon, and then we'll talk about it afterwards.
38,000 miles away. Where's the black drop? I don't see it. It's not there because it doesn't exist. That is a projection. That is inside the dome. Something. Okay? But I can see through that part right there. And the other the other video that I have right up here is a video of the moon traversing the sky, the day moon, which you can clearly see right through too. See, these are not solid objects, okay? I was told when the moon gets to about like 1% or 2%, right when it gets into that crescent moon, that night you could actually see through it, and that's the time to capture stars. And it's a tough one. You got to put your time in with the moon. You really do. I mean, anyway. We'll all get it at some point. Doesn't matter. It's there. It always will be there. That's the beauty of it. Just like when July 8th comes. That's right. That's when everybody is under daylight. Isn't that amazing? How is that possible on a globe Earth? It certainly is not possible. That would mean all the land on the other side of your globe and the land here on this side of the globe are being totally illuminated by the sun. That doesn't make any sense at all, guys. None at all. Okay? I'm going to skip this phone call. I'll call him back. So, how is that? I mean, really, it makes no sense at all. See, now this video just got ruined. All right. Okay, I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos. Let me be a part of your life.
This is what I think they think the sun, moon, and earth look like. The earth's in the middle, the sun's off to the left, and the moon's on to the right. It could be either way. But the reason why you can see it, to see the blue on the moon during the day, is because of Rayleigh scattering, because you're looking through the atmosphere. The sunlight comes in and gets the blue light, the short wavelengths get scattered more, so the blues get scattered throughout the atmosphere, and then the red just passes straight through. And this is why when they're on the moon, it's dark even during the daytime because there's no atmosphere to scatter it. But this is what I think they think the setup is. And of course it looks like the sun would be blocked when the moon's up, and the moon would be, because they're at the same distance. But if you see it here, the sun is a lot further away than the moon, so it doesn't line up exactly the way they think it's going to line up. So you get the light from the sun shining down on the moon and on the earth at the same time, and you can see part of the moon that's lit up by the sun this way. Another thing he starts talking about is on July 8th, most of the Earth's population will be under the sun at the same time, and this can only be done on a round Earth, because at that time the Earth will be pointed towards the sun at the actual tilt of 23.5 degrees, and most of the Earth's population is in the continents of Europe, Asia, and North America. So at that time, most of the light will be on there, and it will be on continents of South America and Africa, with the very bottom being dark. So and then with the Earth's rotation, of course, everybody's going to see the sun on the same day. But it's just that's the only way it can be done on, is through a globe Earth and through the axial tilt, like on the solstices when the pole is pointed more closely to the sun. You get like a 24-hour day, and there you've got an experiment planned for the 21st of January to go down to the South Pole with one flat earther and one normal person, and the normal person's already been selected. It's called The Last Experiment. Well, for Flat Earth. But the flat earthers won't go because some of these people make a little bit of money off of it, not CC, but there's others, and they're probably too scared to realize. They realize if they go, they would lose their financial opportunities or they lose their cause. So that's why. Okay, I hope everybody found this a little bit educational and helpful, and have a good day. Goodbye.